Alright guys and girls, welcome back. This is Andrew and today I am gonna review something really awesome for the Metal Gear fans. We have here a Hot Toys of the legendary The Boss from the Metal Gear 3 Snake Eater, and this video is sponsored by Angles.com. Alright guys, let me introduce you all the accessories that it comes with the Boss. You're getting one Davy Crockett launcher with the case, one Davy Crockett warhead with the other case, one Patriot, one CQC knife with a magnet attached, and you're getting a total of 6 hands and a black poncho. And for last, as usual, the Hot Toy stand base on each item looks really nice, and that's all you're getting on the Boss figure. Here's the front side of the Boss figure. I gotta love how Hot Toys make this figure so beautiful and very detailed, and especially her skin tone. You can see all her pores and wrinkles when you see it up close. And another thing, what I enjoy owning a Hot Toys, because they use real fabric clothing on their figures. As you can see, everything on her outfit is real fabric except her boots and gloves. Just letting you know. Here's the left side angle, and you can see all the hairlines of the hair looks nice. And another thing I wanted to tell you, in her upper left side in her outfit, there's some mechanism you could attach her CQC knife, so be aware about that. And everything looks great, especially her naked suit. And I wanted to let you know her gloves and her boots are made of a hard solid rubber material. As you can see, most of the Hot Toys don't use real hair material on their figures except on some few that came out recently like the Black Widow. As you can see, the boss, her hair is hand painted and looks well done made, looks nice, and I like that a lot. Also, you can see in the back more of the detail of the outfit, looks really good. One advice I want to warn you, if you're gonna post her with her naked suit outfit kinda revealing, showing her breast, be aware of the zipper is fragile, could easily break, and be aware not to touch her skin because it's easy to get stains. It will ruin the figure, so be careful. One of the coolest things about the boss, you have the option to pose her with her Patriot gun or her Davy Crockett. Either way, it looks awesome. And about the weapons, the details are okay. It doesn't look realistic like some other Hot Toys weapons. Looks kind of real. As you know, it's based from the video game, so it doesn't have to look realistic, so it doesn't matter so much. But as you can see, the boss looks epic. So let me know what you think about the Hot Toys of the boss. Do you think she looks awesome? Yes or no? Leave your comments below. For any doubts or concern about the figure. And also I want to tell you, there's some minor issues I found about this figure. That sometimes her hands fall off easily, and that was kinda annoying. So I suggest not to touch her a lot.
Darkness and silence through the night. What a thrill. I'm searching and I'll melt into you. What a fear in my heart, but you're so supreme. I give my someday you'll feed on a tree frog. It's ordeal, the trial to survive. For the day we see new light, I give my life, not for honor, but for you. In my time
Alright everyone, this is the end of this review. If you are interested on buying the Hot Toys of the Boss, you could purchase it at angles.com, or if you are interested on other items, go check it out. And please support Metal Gear Solid 3 Snake Eater. Alright, let me give you my last words on this figure. Honest, the detail looks amazing, looks realistic. That's what I enjoy about the Hot Toys, because the artist put a lot of heart and effort to create something so beautiful. However, I did find some problems I mentioned earlier. Sometimes her hands fall off easily, and he can give her a good dynamic pose because her outfit is so tight. That's an issue I didn't like, but no matter what, she looks awesome still. Okay, this is Andrew, and I'll see you in the next future review.